no experience, and only a mobile phone? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you the best apps that actually pay and anyone can start today. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I share simple and real ways to earn money online. So make sure to subscribe and let's start. First app is for those who want very easy work like watching ads or completing small tasks. There are apps where you watch videos, click ads, and complete small offers to get paid in dollars. But listen carefully. Not all apps are real, so always check reviews and payment proof before using. Second type is survey apps that pay you for giving your opinion. You just answer simple questions about products and daily habits and earn money or gift cards. Best part is no skill is needed at all. Third app type is captcha solving or simple data work where you type what you see in images. It's very easy, but earning is a bit slow, still good for beginners. Now this one is powerful. You can earn from Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts by posting videos and sharing content. You can do this even without showing your face. Many people in Pakistan are earning from this method. Last one is trending. AI apps let you create content, write posts, and make videos to earn money online. This is the future, so don't ignore it. Before you go, remember don't trust apps that ask for money and don't expect to get rich quickly. Start small and stay consistent because online earning is real but only if you are patient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and comment which app you want me to explain in detail. Subscribe for more real online earning methods and Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video.